Oi. Chalo.
Okay. So to start with, I would like to request Mr. Jafar Naqvi, Chief Editor and Coordinator, sir, for the inaugural session address. Thank you.
Good morning,
But I've seen your email.
distinguished guests and speakers and participants. I had prepared a long speech for the inaugural session because I knew it is going to be a beautiful session. But I had to cut it short because we already got delayed due to certain unforeseen situations in the state. Our chief guest could not make it today. So anyway, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the Women in Agribusiness Global Conference. Exhibitions, networking meet and awards. This event is a celebration of remarkable achievements of women in the agribusiness sector as well as platform for knowledge exchange, networking and inspiring dialogue. Today we gather to acknowledge the incredible contribution of women who have broken barriers, pioneered innovations and led transformative changes in agricultural industry. This conference serves not only as a recognition of their achievements but also as an opportunity for us to explore new challenges and opportunities in empowering women in agribusiness. Indeed, on this empowerment of women in agribusiness, we do have presentations today, important presentations by women who have actually done it. They have proved themselves and they are very examples for everybody to know. The world knows our Indian women who have made wonders, especially in the agribusiness sector. Women have really made remarkable contribution for the nation. Our agenda today is rich with insights and experiences from thought leaders and experts across various domains. We begin with an inauguration where we will hear from esteemed leaders who have played pivotal role in shaping the landscape of agribusiness in India and beyond. These sessions are designed to set tone for the day, offering perspective on the importance of women participation in agriculture, food industry and other connected sectors. As we move through the day, we will dive into sessions focused on innovative strategies for women in agribusiness, explore the emergence of new age agri-entrepreneurs, and discuss empowering women in climate-smart agriculture. I'm happy to share with you that so far I have been visiting most of the autonomous or automatic farms or what we call vertical farms, and we find that majority of the workforce and the decision makers in these farms are women because they are really doing wonders in technology driven agriculture. Whether we talk of hydroponic, aquaponic, vertical gardening or landscape designing, women are leaving their impression everywhere. We will also have the opportunity to listen to inspiring success stories and panel discussions that aim to create sustainable models for women agri and food entrepreneurs. One of the purpose that we want to achieve is that those who are participating here and those who are joining us on YouTube and other online media, they should get inspiration from the work done by these wonderful women, and they can see them as role models and try to copy and mimic them in their initial phase to finally come up with their own separate, specialized, unique success model. So those